we're gonna be making the best chocolate chips cookies. Let's get on to the video.
Okay guys, so all we're gonna be needing JJ is
egg, water, and chocolate chips, brown sugar, and flour.
and vanilla extract, salt, sugar, and baking powder. So guys, let's get on to mixing. So guys, first of all, we're gonna start by adding the dry ingredients, which are salt and baking powder. Then guys, now we're gonna mix it.
So guys, we're gonna move on to our next ingredients.
So guys, now we're gonna pour our brown sugar inside. And then our sugar and vanilla extract. Next, guys, we're gonna mix our ingredients. Now, guys, we're gonna add our eggs into our mixture, and I'm gonna crack them by one by one. Guys, now we're gonna crack the next egg.
Give me my own.
My sister can't mix the mixture because she had a broken wrist.
Give it to her.
Okay.
Okay, give it to JJ.
Okay,
They want to
JJ,
mix.
mix. Guys, so we're making chocolate chip cookies, and guys, at the end, you have to stick around to see, cause it's gonna be really, really good, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
Okay, JJ, now let me mix it. Okay, guys. Here's how it looks. And guys, now we're gonna pour it into our flour mixture. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna mix our mixture together.
So guys, this is gonna be so yummy. I can't just wait to eat it, guys.
Now we're done mixing our ingredients, and now, guys, it is time to put the chocolate chips.
This is so good, guys. I can't wait to eat this, guys.
This is so good. That was good. And now, guys, we're gonna mix it. Guys, now we're gonna mix it.
Gently.
Gently. We don't want to break any cookies.
Oh, this is so yummy.
Guys, this looks so yummy. Guys, make sure you try this at home.
It's so good. Oh, this is so good. I can just wait to eat this right now, guys. It's just exactly perfect. Yummy. Looks good, guys.
So guys, now we're done mixing our chocolate cookies, and now it's time to scoop a little and put them in the tray. Okay guys, so now that we got scooping our mixture, we're gonna put it in the oven for 7 or 9 minutes, guys. So let's get on to baking. So guys, we're gonna bake for like 7 to 9 minutes, and then when it's done baking, we're gonna come back and check on it, guys. Ta-da!